There's an old saying, I don't know who made it, that to conserve something, you have to love it. In order to love it, you have to know it. In order to have to know it, you have to be shown it or be introduced to it. So, it's a process to get people from not knowing anything about something to learning about it, being involved, loving it, and then working to conserve it. So I think it's just a matter of people who do care, getting other people involved. And the nice thing about Purple Martins is there's something you can, it's like, well, what can I do about the polar bears except maybe, use less fossil fuels? And does that save this one particular polar bear? Maybe, but there's a long, long thread of causation that isn't very direct. Whereas with Purple Martins, you can do something very directly. You can manage a colony of Purple Martins with your own hands or help out. We involve a lot of volunteers in helping clean out the nests or help gather the data. So something you can do directly with your own hands that feels like you're making a difference.